Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and in this video I'll show you the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. Watch this video till the end and read the comments. The lucky one will receive $100 to the balance on the website, and let's start our trading session. Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group. Just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP. Here we'll read it on the sides. These are the concepts I picked up. Our starting balance is $10 and we'll open the first deal for 5 minutes for the entire balance. Let's move on to the first concept. And this concept hits us perfectly. We open for an increase as we see by parabolic that at that moment the indicator points are being built by the price chart. That means that we have a downward trend. No matter how it contradicts our deal, but we see that the candlestick of the chart has already approached it. The indicator points are not at this, or the next candle will exactly touch the indicator points, and after that, the indicator points will start to be drawn up under the price chart, meaning that the trend has changed and has become up. That's why we opened up. As we do not have a deal for minutes, the trend will definitely have time to change and the chart will grow. And well, we also see by our side that it's directed upwards towards the worldwide area, so our chart will also move up, and let's see our deal until the end, which is 3 minutes and 57 seconds. And what we are seeing in that is that the first candle really rose up and touched the point of the indicator. But for a reason unknown to me, the indicator point continued to build above the price chart, and for some reason the next candle is forming downwards. Very interesting. If you know the explanation for the situation, write in the comments, because I'm faced with this for the first time. And let's see for our deal what will happen, because the second and the third candle are formed down, or rather the second one has already formed and the third one has not yet been determined. Let's see. The third candle forms up but was a little short of our trade level, and the next one is drawn down. Well, so far we cannot judge how it will form, so let's keep watching. We see that the situation has changed. After all, the candle has formed up and such the indicator points. Due to this, the indicator points started building under the pressure. I don't understand why it didn't happen here, but it's good that it happened now. And the last candle is forming down, but I don't think it will have time to close our trade in negative because it has already closed in plus. Profit $8 and we'll move on to the next concept. This concept as he says, let's reduce our time frame to 4 minutes and we will open a deal for our entire balance. And we will open downward. By parabolic, we see that the indicator points are built above the price chart that tells us about a downtrend. And the gap between the indicator points and the price chart is large to maintain the downtrend. Therefore, we're still confident and open for a fall. And we also see by our side that it's moving closer to the oversold area. It's also directed in its direction. So the trend is down. Many traders ask me questions in the comments in my Telegram how to use this risk. And let me tell you now. Here I'll highlight the overbought area and the oversold area. So when you see how the indicator breaks through, for example, the overbought area, then for some time it will move up. After that, there will be a price rollback and the indicator along with the chart will rush down. Well, what will be our sell signal? And it also works in the opposite direction. When the indicator breaks through the oversold area, only this will be a buy signal. But otherwise, when the indicator does not go beyond the boundaries of this area, it's enough to look at the direction of its movement. If it's directed up, then the chart will move up, and if it's directed down, then the chart will move down. That's it. Everything is simple, and we're back to our deal. We see that the first candle forms down. The second candle also formed down, and it turned out to be large. This is a good for our deal, and the third candle is also forming down. Yeah, we see this on the chart. And let's see. Well, trade our second trade for today, closing plus good profit $14. And we'll move on to the next concept. this concept hits us perfectly. Let's reduce the time frame to 1 minute and we'll open a deal for our entire balance and we'll open for a fall. As we see a parabolic on the points of its indicator are built about the price chart. What does it say about the downtrend? And the gap between the points of the indicator and the price chart is acceptable. That is not very large, but so far uncritical for a turn. Therefore, I think the trend will continue as we open the deal for just 1 minute. Well, we also see by our side that it's directed down. That means that the share will move down. And let's see. The first candle on which we opened the deal was formed lower than the opening level of the deal, and the next one jumps up, and let's go. Let's see how our deal ends up. And now last trade close up, get the profit. It was $26, and now let me show you how to withdraw our money. Let's go to this tab. We'll withdraw. We'll leave $10 on the balance. We will withdraw $48. As you can see, the withdrawal was successful, and let's finish our trading session for today. If you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.